Government will not hesitate to close schools again if data on COVID-19 is unfavorable. This according to Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley days before the partial reopening of schools next Monday. Sunil Lalla reports.
From next Monday, there will be a partial opening of schools with forms 4 to 6 utilizing a hybrid system. It means that there will still be online classes, but students will report to school on some days for the completion of their practicals and school-based assessments, SBAs. Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley says there is still a sense of nervousness about the decision, but believes it is critical for students to return to the classrooms for their advancement.
If we don't bring these children out to do these exams, what then is the alternative? How does the school year progress?
And Health Minister TERRENCE DEYALSINGH shows that teachers do fall within the essential services category to be vaccinated.
And vaccinating our teachers now becomes important, as you have heard the Honorable Minister of Education say. We are starting on Monday with the partial reopening of schools. So teachers will form a part of that category called essential workers.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. ROSHAN PARASRAM says all children would be masked up and all protocols would be followed.
That they will come out and do their SBA and they will come out and do their labs. And they will do so in smaller groups, managed throughout the process, so they may not be there for the entire day, and they will be masked throughout their interactions.
Meanwhile, Thoracic Medical Director at the Caura Hospital, Dr. TROTMAN, had some points for children to follow on returning home.
Not only just taking off your clothes, as I have mentioned, but also to have that shower and not to have that usual interaction with the members of the family. Because you are now, the child has now become a potential super spreader.
Dr. Rowley said if the COVID-19 numbers remain favorable, there could possibly be the opening up of primary schools in April. Sunil Lalla, TTT News.
The Ministry of Health has reported an additional COVID-19 related death. The latest death brings the total COVID-19 deaths for Trinidad and Tobago to 135. According to the ministry's latest update, the person was an elderly male with comorbidities. The ministry also reported 8 new cases of the virus. Of the 8 new positive cases, none are recently repatriated persons. The total number of active positive cases is 247.